This lesson will cover the grains serving size chart. The information is found in Chapter 2 of the CACFP Administrative Manual. A wide variety of grain products may be used to fulfill the meal pattern requirements. The required serving size will vary depending on the amount of flour, meal, bran, or germ, and other ingredients. Grain products are divided into 7 groups according to the serving size needed to provide 16 grams of flour, meal, bran, or germ. When water, fat, sugar, fruit, or nuts are added, a larger serving size is needed to provide the required amount of creditable grain. The amount of added sugar and fat should be considered when deciding how often to serve these foods. All grain products must be whole grain or enriched or made with whole grain meal and/or flour, bran, and/or germ. The grains serving size chart lists common foods that fall into the 7 groups. The groups are labeled with letters A through G. The serving size for each food item within a group is the same. Each group lists the serving size needed to provide a 1 ounce equivalent of grain for children ages 6 through 18 and adults, and ½ ounce equivalent for children ages 1 through 5. Group A includes hard, dry grain products with few added ingredients. The amount to serve is 22 grams or 0.8 ounces for children ages 6 through 18 and adults, and 11 grams or 0.4 ounces for children ages 1 through 5. The foods in this group include bread-type coating, hard breadsticks, chow mein noodles, saltine, soda and snack crackers, croutons, hard pretzels, plain rice cakes, and the bread portion of dry stuffing. Many of these items have footnote 3, which states that hard, dry foods may be a choking hazard. Group B includes grain products that contain more moisture and added ingredients. The amount to serve is 28 grams or 1 ounce for children ages 6 through 18 and adults, and 14 grams or 0.5 ounces for children ages 1 through 5. Foods in this group include bagels, batter-type coating and breading, biscuits, white, wheat, whole wheat, French, Italian, pumpernickel, and raisin breads, hamburger and hot dog buns, egg roll skins, English muffins, white, wheat, and whole wheat pita bread, pizza crust, soft pretzels, white, wheat, and whole wheat rolls, wheat or corn tortillas, wheat or corn tortilla chips, taco or tortilla shells, and wonton wrappers. Footnote 5 is listed by 5 of the items. Some foods may contain more sugar, salt, and/or fat than others. This should be a consideration when deciding how often to serve. Groups B through E have grains identified with this footnote. Group C includes items with more sugar and/or fat, so the serving size needed to provide the required amount of grain is larger. The required serving size is 34 grams or 1.2 ounces for children ages 6 through 18 and adults, and 17 grams or 0.6 ounces for children ages 1 through 5. The foods in this group include cornbread, corn muffins, croissants, pancakes or crepes, pie crust from meat alternate pies, and waffles. All of the items in Group C are identified with footnote 5. Group D includes items with still more sugar and/or fat, so the serving size is larger than the previous group. The amount to serve is 55 grams or 2 ounces for children ages 6 through 18 and adults, and 28 grams or 1 ounce for children ages 1 through 5. The foods in this group include all types of muffins except corn muffins, and quick breads including banana, pumpkin, and zucchini bread. Group E has additional sugar and/or fat. The amount needed is 69 grams, or 2.4 ounces for children ages 6 through 18 and adults, and 35 grams or 1.2 ounces for children ages 1 through 5. The only grain in this group, French toast, is identified with footnote 5. The required serving size for group F is 1/2 cup cooked or 28 grams dry for children ages 6 through 18 and adults, and 1/4 cup cooked or 14 grams dry for children ages 1 through 5. Group F includes cooked breakfast cereals, bulgur or cracked wheat, cereal grains such as barley and quinoa, all shapes of macaroni, all varieties of noodles, all shapes of pasta, the noodle portion of ravioli, and enriched white or brown rice. This group references footnotes 6 and 7. Footnote 6 states that breakfast cereals are traditionally served as a breakfast menu item, but may be served in meals other than breakfast. Footnote 7 relates to the amount of sugar that is allowed in cereal. Breakfast cereals must contain no more than 6 grams sugar per dry ounce, no more than 21 grams sucrose and other sugars per 100 grams of dry cereal. Group G includes cold, dry, ready-to-eat breakfast cereals. A 1 ounce equivalent is 1 cup or 1 ounce of flakes or rounds, 1 1/4 cups or 1 ounce of puffed cereal, and 1/4 cup or 1 ounce of granola. This group references footnotes 6, 7, and 8. According to footnote 8, until October 1st, 2019, the minimum serving size for any type of ready-to-eat breakfast cereals may be 1/4 cup for 1 to 2-year-olds, 1/3 cup for 3 to 5-year-olds, 3/4 cup for 6 to 12-year-olds, and 1 1/2 cups for adults. Beginning October 1st, 2019, the minimum serving size specified in this section for ready-to-eat breakfast cereals must be served. Cereal must be whole grain, enriched, or fortified, and must contain no more than 6 grams of sugar per dry ounce. Crediting breakfast cereal will be covered in detail in another lesson of the module. A reference chart that lists the amount to serve for common grain items is available in the CACFP manual. This chart should be shared with teachers and posted in the classroom. Some items are listed in number of pieces. The 1 to 5-year-old serving size for fish crackers is shown here as 21. Instead of counting out 21 crackers for each participant, place the correct amount in a measuring cup to determine the required volume. Record the volume measurement and reference it for the serving size. The chart also lists the cost of a full serving as of the date listed in the manual. Use this information to help you manage food costs. The lower half of the page includes a quick reference on fruit and vegetable yields that may also be helpful for kitchen and classroom staff. This concludes the lesson on the grains serving size chart. If you have questions, please contact your CACFP consultant or the state agency. Contact information can be found in the front of the manual.